Sunday home reset, and I'm back in the laundry room, and I'm going to show you the closet and shelves coming out of here so that we can. Don't go away. Yes, you have seen this part in one of my other videos, and that's okay, because this time you're going to see the closet and the shelves ripped out and the room cleared out. But I just wanted to show you how it looked before we started. I had this little blurb in my organizational and decluttering video, and we did declutter a lot of stuff. But anyhow, we are going to get this place cleaned out, and then the guys are going to start ripping out the closet and the shelf. And that's the shelving, and that's the closet right there. So it's going to give us quite a bit of room to store things the way I would like them, on shelves where I don't have to lift bins off of bins to get to the bins. Okay, let's get busy. Yay, the closets are empty. Now we can start the demolition and the fun part. This is actually quite a big room. We can get a lot of storage in here if we do it right. Okay, that's a good day's work. Okay, we started taking the closet out. Just thought I'd get a short little video. Looks like it's built pretty good, eh?
Oh, this frame is.
Is that electric?
What? Yes.
Oh.
I have to find out which breaker it's connected to. So.
Is that just drywall?
Yeah.
Well.
Guess it isn't as easy as I thought it was going to be.
Well, the closet is down in this one. The frame and everything, it's all taken off, and any of the gyprock, it's all piled up there, and they started on getting those shelves out. And yeah, it took a little effort, because I guess these shelves were built pretty good. Anyhow, there's lots of wooden pieces that are going to be hauled away, and maybe some of them we'll use, I don't know. But this is what it looks like now. So we'll see what happens next. Okay, we're continuing on, getting the closet out of there. And Dave and Idris are both working on this together. And they've got the shelves going to come out next. So they broke the gyprock in between those. And there's the shelves there. So it's looking pretty good. The wall is down. It gives quite a bit of room. It's great. I could get a picture from way over here. There, that's better. That's going to give a lot of room. That's great. all the way from here to there. And the guys are going to clean this all up today. Ooh, there's some nails in those. Holy man. That is a big nail. David has broken down all the gyprock and piled all the insulation and stuff that needs to be gone. And the pile with the nails and stuff, he cut all those boards up so easier to transport. Throwing you down a bag.
You use that meat bag.
There's a bag right beside the dryer too, or the whatever that's called.
That's the meat bag. The big blue one?
There's a garbage bag there too.
Oh.
Looks fantastic.
When I sweep all this up, I'll put it in one of these and put it out in the garbage.
Okay. Okay. Oops. All right. Got the wall down. And we've got this stuff back in here, which is good. Gonna sort it out. Get it put in bins so we know what's and what's where. So that will be good. I think that works really good because it gives a lot more room for storing stuff. Maybe I'll get. And now this room is all cleaned out again. They can set the bed up however they want it. That's my Sunday home reset. Hope you enjoyed it. And we'll see you in my next video, Fairy Garden Thursday. Bye!